Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT lessons. This lesson is lesson 5. I will show you the smart solution for the large power device. Before we have made the video, the toys about the relay controller, control lamp, control cut. This is a small current of the load. So if you have the large current like the water heat and the air conditioning and the pump, this power is very large. If you use the relay controller directly, it will be a bad thing. So you need a device to extend the large power control. That we have used the SSR. That is solid state relay and the AC contact. This is SSR, solid state relay, and this is AC contact. We have used this AC contact to make the power distribution box. So this video I will show you the principle of these two parts and how to extend the power. This SSR will have two types, like use the DC to control the AC output. Just you can input is DC and output is control the AC load. And this is AC control AC, input is AC and output is AC. And the typical one is if you have input, for example, this type. If you have input from 3 to 32 volt, and it can control the AC output is 24 volt range to 480 volt. We can use input is 12 volt DC to control AC 220 volt. This is for the DC control the AC. But you also have the AC control AC type, just like this AC contact. So we can use the AC for 110 or 220 or 380 volt to control the AC output. So this is SSR. This is AC contact. This is have a SCR inside of this part. And this is physical one. I can show you. You can see these two parts have different size. And this have a SCR inside. This is solid state relay SSR. This have input, DC input, and this is control the load output. So this is SSR's input control output. And this is AC contact. The AC contact, just these 2 points give the AC power, and this up and down. This will close and open these 2 points. So this is controlled by SCR, and this is no sound, and this is physical, just like this. This will have sound to control the coil inside. And also, this AC contact have a button for manually control. This is a button you can control on and off, and also can control by the coil. This is two different. 3. How to choose? We just need to confirm this input, output, and the current. What input you will use? Like use DC or use AC? And what is output to control? Like you can control the AC load, or you can control a DC load. It's up to you. And this is current. How many amperes your load will be used? Just these 3 settings, you can choose a SSR or AC contact to use. We have drawn a diagram to show you how to connect the SSR or AC contact to the H32B relay module. For example, we use the DC control AC, so you can. This is 12 voltage DC, 12 voltage, and this is output, and this is SSR. this is 12 voltage, and this is ground, and to this SSR. This is the inside is a relay. The relay. So you can control the lamp. This is L, and this is neutral N. And we'll have a load in this position. It's a load. So this is input the 12 voltage. When the 12 voltage gives the SSR, so the L will go through the load, go to the N. And this is the first one, this type. And now we can see this type, AC to AC. So we also will have a contact. And this time, this is L. L will go to the relay, and the relay output go back. And this is N. So if we give this AC contact 220 voltage, AC 220 voltage, this is also is a switch. Give the contact, and L, and this also have a load, and back to the N, neutral. This is the type of AC control. AC input is AC, and the output is also AC. It's controlling the AC 220 voltage load, give this power. But if you use the AC contact for the 220, maybe have some interference. So we can add a RC current to anti the interference. Give this 2 points. This will protect the relay, and let the relay can use for many years. Improvement for the relay. So this can add, or this not add, but this, if you add, will be good for the relay. Okay. If we have another situation, just AC control AC, this is one phase. Oh, this is the 3 phase. This is 3 phase AC contact. Also, we will use the L, and the output. The output go to this, and this is neutral for this. And this will be L1, L2, L3, because it's 3 phase. So this will output L1, L2, and L3. Or maybe you will have a very large pump. This pump is for AC 380 voltage. It's a motor. So if give this power, this is single phase, so it's also 220 voltage. This is AC, and this is AC 380 voltage. 220 voltage gives the contact. Give the contact is 3 phase. So we can control the 3 phase load. So this is a 32-bit relay module to control by the SSR and the contact different typical ways. So this is a solution controlling the large power device. Just according to this, you can choose use by SSR or use by AC connect to your relay module. Just any relay module, just connect with these two types. You can extend your power to country. Okay, thanks for watching.